Since the dawn of time, humans have searched for a way to reverse aging. Myths and legends abound with tales of magical fountains and elixirs promising eternal youth. Modern science is making remarkable strides in understanding the aging process. We stand on the precipice of groundbreaking discoveries that could transform how we age. The desire to age gracefully and maintain our vitality is universal. Anti-aging interventions promise increased lifespans and a reduction in age-related diseases. Aging is a complex process involving a multitude of factors. At its core, aging is characterized by a gradual decline in the body's ability to repair and regenerate itself. First up, cellular damage. Cells accumulate damage over time, leading to a decline in organ function and an increased vulnerability to disease. One of the key drivers of aging is cellular damage, primarily caused by free radicals, which are highly reactive molecules that can harm DNA, proteins, and other cellular components. Second, telomere shortening. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. As telomeres shorten, cells lose their ability to divide, leading to tissue degeneration and organ dysfunction. Third, mitochondrial decline. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, also play a crucial role in aging. Mitochondrial dysfunction can lead to a decline in energy production and increased oxidative stress, further accelerating the aging process. Fourth, senescent cells. These zombie cells stop dividing and accumulate over time, releasing inflammatory substances that damage surrounding tissues and contribute to aging. And lastly, protein misfolding. Aging cells struggle to maintain the correct structure of proteins, leading to diseases like Alzheimer's and other age-related disorders. The scientific community is actively pursuing a variety of approaches to combat aging. First up, caloric restriction, which has been shown to extend lifespan in various organisms. By reducing calorie intake without causing malnutrition, caloric restriction appears to activate cellular pathways that promote longevity. Second, telomere extension. Scientists are exploring ways to lengthen telomeres, potentially slowing down or even reversing cellular aging. Third, senolytics. Drugs that selectively eliminate senescent cells, cells that have stopped dividing and contribute to inflammation and tissue damage, are showing promise in animal models. Fourth, stem cell therapy offers another exciting avenue for rejuvenation. By replenishing depleted or damaged tissues with healthy stem cells, scientists hope to restore organ function and combat age-related decline. Fifth, NAD+ supplements. Researchers are investigating the potential of NAD+ supplements, as NAD+ levels decline with age and play a crucial role in cellular energy production and DNA repair. Sixth, hormonal therapies. As we age, hormone levels like estrogen, testosterone, and growth hormone decline, leading to physical and functional changes. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, has been used to mitigate some symptoms of aging, but it carries risks and is not a cure for aging itself. Seventh, epigenetic reprogramming. Epigenetics refers to the way our genes are expressed without altering the DNA sequence. Some cutting-edge research has shown that it may be possible to reprogram cells to a more youthful state by manipulating epigenetic markers, which control aging. This is still in the experimental stage but holds promise for future treatments. Lastly, the genetic engineering whose application to combat aging is still in early stages. Some studies indicate that activating specific longevity genes, such as FOXO3, can extend lifespan in animal models. However, ethical and safety concerns pose significant challenges to widespread human applications. What are the leading and promising research that can revolutionize the future? First, Yamanaka factors. Nobel Prize-winning research by Dr. Shinya Yamanaka showed that mature cells could be reprogrammed back into a stem cell-like state using 4 specific genes, now known as the Yamanaka factors. This groundbreaking work suggests that it may be possible to reverse cellular aging in the future, though the technology is still far from being applied in humans. Second, CRISPR gene editing. CRISPR technology allows scientists to edit specific genes. In theory, this could be used to repair or eliminate genes responsible for age-related decline, though research in this area is still in its infancy. While cutting-edge research offers hope for future interventions, we can significantly influence how we age today. Lifestyle choices impact our health span and lifespan. First up, balanced diet. A balanced, nutrient-dense diet plays a critical role in healthy aging. Diets rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber help protect against cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. Second, intermittent fasting. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating can mimic the effects of caloric restriction, potentially extending lifespan and reducing age-related diseases. Third, exercise. Regular physical activity has a profound impact on aging. Exercise protects telomeres and boosts mitochondrial function. High-intensity interval training and strength training are particularly effective at slowing age-related muscle loss and improving metabolic health. Fourth, quality sleep. Adequate sleep allows our bodies to repair and regenerate. Fifth, stress reduction. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing inflammation. Stress-reducing activities like yoga and meditation are beneficial. Lastly, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol is paramount. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, we can age gracefully and reduce age-related diseases. Despite the potential for scientific advancements, it is essential to be wary of unproven treatments and anti-aging products. Many marketed anti-aging creams and supplements lack scientific support and can lead to disappointment. While supplements like antioxidants, collagen, and resveratrol may support healthy aging, there is no magic pill that will stop or reverse the aging process. While caloric restriction may offer benefits, extreme restriction can lead to malnutrition and adverse health effects. What we can't change. First, intrinsic aging. While lifestyle changes and certain therapies can slow down aging, intrinsic aging, natural changes in our cells, organs, and systems, cannot be completely stopped. Over time, every living organism undergoes biological changes that lead to aging. While complete reversal of aging remains elusive, significant progress has been made in understanding the aging process and identifying interventions that may slow its effects. Current strategies, including caloric restriction, senolytics, NAD+ supplements, and stem cell therapies, provide hope for extending health span, how long we live healthy, vibrant lives. However, the most effective methods for promoting longevity continue to lie in proven lifestyle changes, including regular exercise, balanced nutrition, stress management, and quality sleep. As research advances, we may uncover more effective strategies for aging management. But for now, embracing a healthy lifestyle remains our best approach to slowing the aging process.